Hey, it's Eagle Runner Bill here. Well, my keyboard stopped working on my laptop and I figured out a way that I could use it. Maybe it'd be helpful to you. Turn my laptop on, come down here to the search window, type in the letters key. Now my keypad isn't working. It throws out all kinds of weird letters, but there's what I got. Now I'm going to scroll over and delete what doesn't need to be there till I get the word key. And once I get the word key, this pops up. And I look at this, and up top it has on-screen keyboard. Wow, maybe I can actually use this computer. So from there, I just curse on up to it, click on it. This page opens up. It's all kinds of stuff for the keyboard. And you can see on the right side it says on-screen keyboard. Click that on. And there, now I've got a keyboard I can use. Hope this was helpful. Get you out of a hard time. Hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.